love Heartswarming Eve, and I do not want to miss going home for it.
Huh. I didn't even know Changeling celebrated Heartswarming.
Oh yes, it's our favorite holiday. Well, since Headmare Twilight shared it with us last year, she gave our hive very clear instructions. Welcome to the traditions and fun of Heartswarming. Here's a guide to help you enjoy the celebration of pony history. Families start the holidays by putting the tree up. Thirsty? Dive into some holiday punch. Just before bed, every pony exchanges gifts. It doesn't say how long we keep doing this. And to finish celebrating, you can build a fire, light it up, and sing carols.
Carols, 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 carols.
You might have misunderstood things just a little.
We may not have done everything exactly the way you do, but we made our own traditions, and I can't wait to do it all again this year.
Why, hello there! If you'd like to watch another video, click here. And click here to subscribe for something new every day. Please and thank you.